morning. Hey, can you not eat my wire? Meow. Hi, baby. Don't eat my wire. I have 2 kitties. Oh, now you're gonna snow. Okay. Don't bite his ear. He doesn't feel good. No. So I woke up at like 5:55 this morning because these two were screaming at the door. Apparently their food bowl was empty. You ate all your food last night. What's up with that? And so I've been up ever since. It is now 8:51. There is only one other person in the house awake. It's Richie, and he is in the shower. Anyway, so this little one right here has been having some diarrhea issues to the point that Richie brought him to the vet on Wednesday, and now it is Saturday and he's still dealing with it. He got some antibiotics. We've been giving that to him every day. It seems to kind of take the edge off, but still going. Poor baby, he's just leaking poop everywhere. I know that's gross, but you're not living in it. Oh my goodness, it's so gross. He's constantly smelling. So he's wrapped up in a towel because he really wanted to snuggle. I was moving him away for like 10-20 minutes, and eventually I'm like, whatever, F it, I'm gonna go give you a bath. He hates baths, but I gave him a bath, and now he is as happy as can be because he gets to snuggle. And this one apparently wanted to snuggle too. Okay, but no, she's been. I'm sorry I interrupted your sleep, princess. Yeah, my hair's in the face. I'm so sorry. No, I've been on my computer, and this one here, little Miss Rosemary, has been trying to protect the mouse on the screen. I was playing Sims earlier, or at least attempting to play Sims earlier. It got very difficult whenever she kept sitting on the keyboard and in front of the screen trying to attack the little people. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. So I've instead been taking videos off of my phone because my phone is at max space, or was at max space, especially after this last week with going to the animal shelter and then cleaning up things and rearranging and then going and hanging out yesterday. You saw it, the last few videos worth of stuff. Yeah, I hadn't taken anything off of my phone, and so my phone was yelling at me that I had no more room for pictures even. It's I feel the little weight from his head. I'm gonna go make me some more coffee. Oh, Richie's texting me. I should go see what he wants. No, y'all don't care, as long as I let y'all sleep.
We're about to start.
Go make breakfast.
First we need it.
First we need what?
Pancake batter.
Eggies. You love eggies? Yeah.
I'm so glad you love eggies, because you know what else I know that you love? Bacon! Guess what else I know you love?
Poor boy.
Sausage!
Yay! I just took a guess.
You took a guess.
What? Yeah.
Oh, you want to put the candy in? Well, hold on. We got to keep mixing this. We need a little bit more water. That's okay. We're going to clean up when we're done.
Sure will. Do we want rolls that look like other rolls? Or sound like other rolls? Synonym rolls?
Wait. Really? Richard. Cinnamon.
Synonym rolls. You like cinnamon rolls? We'll do cinnamon rolls too. We will make all of the things all of the time.
Okay.
Yay!
Yay! You so happy. I'm glad you're so happy. Daddy.
Let's check. Actually, no, Aria. Yours is just fine once we got the rest of the powder in.
Do you need help? There we go. Iris wants yellow. Aria, what color do you want? Okay, then put the blue in yours. You done? All right. Okay. You think you're using the last of it? Might be about time to buy more food coloring.
Yeah. I want
Yeah.
a little bit. No. Just a
All right, mix. If you want to put more chocolate in, you can put more chocolate in.
Where's on my foot? Here, doggo, take this off my foot.
Really, Richie?
Come on. You got it. No, stop. Keep pulling. Pull harder.
She says that is not bacon. I want bacon.
and not a foot.
She almost did. She grabbed it and pulled it.
And then realized it wasn't bacon.
I find this to be upsetting.
I'm sorry.
I'm making green pancakes. We
Mm.
already have one,
Mm-hmm. That's what happens when you put a lot of yellow in with your blue.
but I was not trying to.
Experiments.
I gotta put some.
Experiments.
Yeah. It's gonna turn green. Oh, you do? I thought you wanted yellow.
This looks like a peacock.
It does kind of look like a peacock though.
Bro,
Sure, go ahead. It's been a while since we did pancakes. I don't think there's much blue left, kiddo. You wanna try green?
Yeah.
Okay.
One drop of green.
Alright, that's good.
Just one drop.
Oh, just one drop of green to make it even more green? Because you need all the green?
Greener.
Just making it greener. You've got a little bit of... Yeah, nope. We're going to be cleaning that later.
Yeah, good try.
I tried, it just smeared. Ugh, my hair is so... not what I want it to be.
Need a kniff.
You need a kniff.
Yeah, kniff.
Okay, I think we're done with the food coloring, Iris. She's still adding more.
Hey, let that girl add that food coloring.
Mixing. Mix,
No
mix,
more.
mix, 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 mix. How about you mix all of your chocolate in? Richie claims he has a problem.
The problem is I got these kittens on me and I want to take a nap. Wait. Okay. A nap sounds awesome.
Mm-hmm. Without a kid in a bed. No kids in the bed. He squeaked the hot dog.
Yeah.
We have quite the
Yeah.
mess on the floor, honey.
I have not had a good night's sleep. And I can't even begin to express to you how long.
Yeah.
It's infuriating.
I'm sorry. I love you.
I love you too.
I'm pretty sure the cat does.
Oh, yeah. She loves you.
Alright. Go forth.
Hi,
for the
Nosy
shoes of
Rosie.
the- Go forth for the
Hi,
shoes. Of the-
Pamela.
Go forth for the shoes.
Hey, let's
of
go
the
get shoes. We
crafty
need
themselves.
shoes.
You want to come, Iris?
All right. You going to walk a little bit, baby?
So they said they wanted to pull back here, so it has to be like right here.
Yeah.
Like it can't be anywhere other than right here.
That's probably why they flattened it out back there. Maybe that's what the extra dirt's for. To flatten it some more.
Maybe. Huh? Yes, there's ladders. I mean, maybe, but I wouldn't even be able to tell you with 100% certainty.
So you want to explain whose house we're at?
No, we're not in a tree house, kiddo.
Why?
Because this is not a tree house.
What houses look like before
Yeah.
they're done being built.
So,
This is what the outside of the wall looks like. And then they put stuff in.
a what?
A door.
A door? Yes, there will be a door right here. So this is a family friend of ours' house, funnily enough. Yeah, right down the road from us. So it's that same lot that we always used to go down and throw rocks in the bayou and all that fun stuff. But, you know, somebody bought the lot and started building the house. Come to find out the people that bought the lot are family friends of mine from forever and a day ago.
You're friends with your parents?
Yeah, they were friends with my parents. Go on, baby. Come on, come on.
I know. It's cool down there, huh?
They were friends of my parents, so I found that quite funny. They're basically building a smaller version of the house that they used to live in.
It's their retirement home, I'm sure.
Yeah, no, this is 100% their retirement home. But like, they're retired and everything, and they're just like, you know what, we're gonna build this house so that it's smaller. It's just for us. It has room to entertain, but it doesn't have a whole lot of room to stay. So probably like a 1,200 square foot, 1,000 square foot, something like that. I mean, it's not huge. They weren't trying to make it huge either. And they just want the pool in the back and all that good stuff. So it's 100% gonna be their lounge around retirement home, and it's gonna be, I'm sure it's gonna be awesome.
She didn't want to get up. She was enjoying the shade.
You
The
pick.
road's too hot.
Oh yeah, she's picked up the baby.
Yeah.
All right, you ready, Iris? All right, you want to ride on your scooter some more or no? No. All right. Hey, guess what? Love you.
Love you. I'm pretty sure.
I think it missed it. I tried getting it in time, but my phone was being slow. Oops.
Lame.
We saw a plane going by because it's about to land, and we're like, "Ooh, is that Nana's?" Because we're going to pick Nana up from the airport. And yeah, her plane lands in the next 10 minutes, so that might
6.
actually be her plane. 6. So, you what?
I got to go. And the party.
All right.
That is a penny one.
Yeah, it's a spinny door, huh?
There.
Yep, those are steps. Oh, you gonna skip?
And this is another. Mommy, Arlo! I like that door.
Oh, you like that door?
100% walk right past us.
We're going to the zoo again.
We are.
Oh no, let's see if Nana's tired.
Better at pulling it than I do.
Nah.
You want me to pull it?
You helping? And there go the shoes.
Yeah, I have a key. You know, I used to live here. And you gave it to me.
Look in your dining room.
Sounds like shoe echoing.
He started on the ceiling? Yeah! Oh my gosh! It looks awesome! Aw, dude!
You should sing opera in here.
How did you do that fast?
He did that in one day.
We came over
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, we came over yesterday. But we came over at like
What is that?
11:30, and he was
Cat poop.
like a third of
Cat
the
poop.
way done with it already.
What did he do?
So,
Why did he do that?
so apparently, if you wet, take
Yeah,
pressure
I
off and
know
wet it,
that.
right? But then you have to let it soak,
So can
and
look
then
at.
you have to spray it again. And you took a paint scraper, and it came off like it was nothing.
It came off like butter.
Pretty much.
Well,
yeah.
I heard it was very, very easy to do, but I thought it would take him a while.
Mama, can you
Once it started coming off, he had a huge scraper.
How do you get up there?
With one of his ladders.
He borrowed someone's ladder. It was really tall.
He borrowed it, or I thought he had one?
No, he borrowed a friend's ladder.
Oh.
I don't think that one was his.
I am so impressed.
What, baby? He had the whole floor up in Visqueen and everything.
Oh yeah, he had the floor covered in Visqueen, so it's not nearly as bad as it would have been.
I hope he covered the top of the fan.
Yeah, it does not look like it because I see some. Yeah, on the wall.
That's okay.
It'll get cleaned
We're
and.
gonna paint the walls.
What color do you want it?
I don't know. We gotta figure that out.
What color you think, Ari? A what?
Mint color.
Oh, mint. She really likes the color mint.
A light green.
Mm-hmm.
The only problem is with the light green, there's no green anywhere.
Well, there's that blue. You can always choose that blue.
Yeah, there's a blue.
Like if you did that blue color right there,
You do a pale blue.
because then it would kind of make those pop a bit if you did
Yeah.
that color, and it would kind of brighten up the
But you
place.
can make some colors up, and that will make a beautiful color.
Mm-hmm.
Is one of your treats. It's shark socks.
It looks like a shark's gonna be on your foot.
Shark sock. Ooh ha.
And
You think
this,
the sharks will be eating your foot? Yep, the sharks are gonna eat your foot. See? You stick your foot in the shark's mouth.
and to match your shark socks is a shark mask if you have to wear it. Okay? Now, you still have one more.
Candy?
All right.
Candy.
They did not have the same thing for Iris, so I got her a shark shirt.
For me?
Yeah.
You're welcome. Now,
This for me.
Oh my goodness.
Daddy's a girl and you got shark socks. Daddy gets shark socks.
Yay! I like shark socks. You wanna wear it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
And I got you each a bathtub toy.
Ooh.
Oh, wind up
Wind up
mermaid.
mermaid. Oh my goodness.
She winds up.
I see.
That's
I know you are the most
Now,
excited.
wait, I gotta find.
This is ours.
I
No,
gotta
yours.
find Mommy.
Go.
Now, Mommy,
That's funny.
Nice. See? Right?
you
Again.
can play with them in the bathtub or the swimming pool. You like them?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy got something from the Ren Fest. And I thought it was really cool.
What's a wind fest, Mom?
The Renaissance Festival, because
We need to go to the.
I know you want to go. I know you want to go.
Yeah, I told Richie I want us to get camping stuff, and we could go camping in the little campground
Uh-huh.
next to the Texas Ren Fair one weekend, and have a whole little Ren Fair / camping trip.
Oh, that would be
So-
fun.
There was a little girl.
Because the girls have been talking about going camping, and of course I want to go to the Ren Fair. So hey, why not
So-
combine
Gotta
them?
find the other. Okay.
Okay.
This I thought was really cool when I saw it.
Okay.
I don't know if you're gonna like it, but it's a Paducah with a thingy, and then
That's a cool class.
there is a
That's for Daddy. Hold on.
thingy that you attach once you have Padooked your ponytail. Right, you Padook your ponytail, and then you hook this on it, and you weave your ponytail
Into the thing. That's
through
cool.
this. And I thought it was so cool.
That's cool.
That's cool.
I want to test on
And look, it's got a dragon.
You want to what?
Is that?
Yeah.
So,
It's a dragon. I don't think it's Sisu, but it's a dragon.
Ponytail, a half ponytail, a side ponytail.
That's because you think all dragons look like Sisu.
Yeah.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm home, even though the rest of them are not. I was in my car and they were in the truck. So we stopped home, picked up my car, ended up going to my mom's house. But anyway, so I want to show you guys that this is what my hair looks like in it. To be fair, I've been wearing it for a few hours, like pretty much as soon as my mother-in-law gave it to me. She helped me put it in, and so it's cute. I like it. I think what I might do to really wear it, since my hair is kind of thick for it, is put my hair half up, half down, and try and put the half up part in this and see how that looks. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna end it right now. I am tired, so I think I'm going to take a shower while everyone's not quite here yet. Well, first I gotta go take care of the animals, and then I will go take a shower. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like if y'all liked the video, and subscribe if y'all want to see more. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.